Here's how to add someone to a Facebook Messenger group chat. Now open up Facebook Messenger on your iPhone, Android, or computer. Works the exact same. Now from here, let's open up a group chat. And let's say I wanted to add somebody new to this group chat. The first requirement is that you need to be an admin of that group. So if you're not already, you can always request admin, or if you created the group, you're good to go. There are two different ways to be able to add somebody. We're going to tap on the names at the very top, and then we can tap on invite link. This is a great option to be able to invite somebody just by texting them a link. So you can turn this on and you can see I can copy it or send a QR code or send in Messenger. So this is one way. Essentially, you're going to create that link and send it to somebody. If they click on the link, they'll be added to that group chat. However, you can manually invite them as well just by going back and tapping on See Chat Members. You'll be able to see all of the current members in that group chat. If you wanted to manually just add them, tap on the plus at the top right, and then just navigate to their name, select them, and hit Add. And just like that, they will be added to that group chat. So they'll be able to be going back and send all those messages. You can see at the very bottom, it says you added Trevor Nace to this group. They'll be able to see all the messages, reply to them, etc.